How to create a dummy order on Teesom. Some customers, we create a quote in QuickBooks instead of in Teesom, but we still want it to go onto our job board on Teesom. So if that's the case, this is what I'll do. First, I'll come up to my new order. I'll type in my customer name. In this case, it's Vance from Blitz Apparel. I'm going to put down the order description. On this, I put whatever the title of their job was. So I might say football shirts, or maybe I'll say HA football. I'll come down to the first job description. It's only going to be one job within the order, so I'll just say the same thing, HA football, and I'll say create. Now I'm going to go down and press plus and add a temporary item. I just have to type anything. So I'll just type the letter A in up here and I'll say add and I guess I have to get a sales category and I'll say add and close. You'll see that it's $0. Now I can edit my tier settings. Many times I have a particular time on these jobs that they want to do by. So I'll go to single tier, I'll select my work days, and I will change that to some number of work days. Many times I'll just open up my calendar and look and see, if I do 5 working days, it'll be the following week on the same day. If I do 10, it'll be the 2 weeks from them on the same day. And so I'll adjust as needed. So in this case, I'll put down 8 work days. I'll save. Then I'll come up here to my hamburger icon and I'll say convert to invoice. That's going to notify the customer. Actually, usually when I create a dummy invoice, I will not notify the customer. I will take payment later and I will submit the order. Now I can go to my home page and I can scroll down to view when this order is going to be. Blitz Apparel HA Football. You'll see the due date listed on the 20th. If my customer wanted a different due date, I could click on that and I could say under the in hands date, I could click a different date by opening up this and say they actually need it on the 21st. I can close that. Now that's just a placeholder. We have the quote in a different program, but from here we can follow all the same processes. One thing you'll note is that since I did not have the products listed in this particular order, when I go down to find it, it will say that the goods have been ordered. That's just because there are no goods attached to this order. So I'm going to have to order those goods separately.